Direct replacement. This headlight switch knob is designed to match the fit and function of the original control knob on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This knob is made to fully restore appearance and functionality after the original part fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by a team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This headlight switch knob is designed to match the fit and function of the original control knob on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Fits my 2006 Ford Ranger Sport. Some reviewers mentioned that this knob was an excessively tight fit on a 2006 Ranger. The knob that I received slid right on. I hope it does not turn out to be too loose eventually. FYI, this knob is precisely the same one as sold by O'Reilly AutoZone, but several dollars less expensive than the retail auto parts stores. Hence, I took a chance on the Amazon knob. And it appears to work out for my 2006 Ranger Sport. Hopefully, this will help other potential booers.